This open source alternative to Zapier turns your Homelab into an automation powerhouse, and this is how you install it. This tutorial is going to assume that you've already installed some sort of Linux server on your computer, and you are now ready to take the next steps. Your server needs to be connected to the internet in order to do this, and we're just going to walk through how to install N8N. This will not show you how to port forward or connect your server to the outside internet, which you do need for certain automations, but we will at least get you installed and playing around with stuff. So the first thing you're going to do is install Docker. You're going to use the instructions depending on which version of Linux you have. I have Ubuntu Server, so we're just going to go ahead and get this command and put it in here. Alrighty, so that's all good to go. After you add that key, you're going to go ahead and add the repository that Docker is located, so then you can install Docker. After you're done with that, you're going to just run the line that installs all the packages needed for Docker. Since I already have Docker installed, and usually what you want to do is you want to just make sure that Docker is on, and it is. Cool. Next is going ahead and starting N8N. You go to their support page and you can get these commands. I'll link that as well. N8N, and you have to sudo everything with Docker. So we're going to go ahead and run this last command to actually download any of the packages needed for N8N and then start running it. So once N8N is done installing, you'll see something akin to editors now accessible via localhost. All right, so once you have installed N8N and it's ready to go, it will ask you to make an owner account. We're just going to do test@gmail. We'll do T with a T, and then password is going to be something extremely simple just for this demo. And then it will ask you some survey questions, which you can just go ahead and skip. And you can skip these if you want to. And then you have N8N, fairly simple. It's really cool. N8N is probably one of the coolest things you can put on your Homelab. I highly recommend it. Powerful over the years. I've been using this for 3 years and it's just great. Let me know if there's anything like this that you want to see, or if you're extremely interested in seeing how to get this to the internet and start using it like you would expect. Let me know if you already use N8N. I'm going to do a full in-depth tutorial on a lot of this Homelab application stuff. Subscribe. Yeah.